Hey, what's going on guys? This is Navjot here, back again with another video. In this video, we are going to transfer our domain to Google Cloud platform. In the previous video, we have successfully installed WordPress on Google Cloud with free forever tier. So if you wanna host your website free forever with Google Cloud ultra fast servers, you can watch my previous video. In the next video, we will install file manager so we can easily manage our WordPress files. You will get the video links in the description. Now, what we are going to do in this video, we are going to connect this IP address to our domain so we can access our website through this domain. Alright, open your Google Cloud dashboard, go to Network Services and then Cloud DNS. Now click on Create Zone. In this field, enter the zone name. You can choose your website name without extension like .com, .net or .org. In the DNS zone, enter your website URL and then click on Create button. On this page, click on Add Record Set. Copy your WordPress IP. And paste it here. Remove the HTTP tag and click on Create button. Again, click on Add Record Set. Enter www in DNS name and change the source record type to CNAME. In the canonical name, enter your website URL or domain name and then click on Create button. So we have done everything from Google Cloud side. Now we need to update our name servers from domain registrar. In my case, I have registered my domain with Big Rock. So if you have registered your domain name with another registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap, just search on Google or YouTube. You will get hundreds of results on how you can update your name servers on GoDaddy or Namecheap. Now open your registrar admin panel and click on Name Servers. Copy and paste these name servers one by one. And click on the Update Name Server button. So it will take 30 minutes to 24 hours to connect your domain with hosting or Google Cloud. So hope this video will help you to connect your domain with WordPress IP address. So this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching as always. See you in the next video.